G'day viewers, and welcome to this week's PB's Retro Restorations. This week I'll be doing this Matchbox Superfast number 12 Citroen CX. This is the later variant of this model. It came out in a blue, it came out in a yellow in the box with no tampo, which I believe is the harder one to find. And then there's this one which had a tampo on the bonnet that said Team Matchbox, came with a trailer and some bikes I believe. Trailer and bikes are long gone, but we could still give this a makeover and make it look nice again. So let's get crack-a-lackin', as they say in the industry, I think. Now I made my own decal for this one because I couldn't get one off the internet. I copy and pasted the Matchbox logo, that was the easy part. But the word team is made out of a motocross bike, so I hand drew that from scratch. It's not 100% accurate. If you held it up next to an original one you'd soon see that. But standalone, it looks the part, and I was quite pleased with how it came out in the end. It could have been a lot worse. So here we are back at the start for a look-see at what we were dealing with. A good solid original, pretty good really. It just needed a repaint, needed that new decal and some re-chroming on the wheels, but you saw the processes involved. It doesn't change too much, but I hope you like this one. I was really pleased with how it came out. Pretty simple, and as some of my viewers have told me, and I agree, sometimes the simple projects are the best. And here's what we're left with now. With some brand new paint, re-chromed wheels, a fresh decal on the bonnet, some clean windows, it's looking the part. Maybe one day I can find one of those trailers and I can restore that to go with it. They're fairly hard to find and very popular with the tow and hitch collectors who like to have little pairs of them, and I can understand that. They look really good on the shelf. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Thank you for my regular subscribers. Hello to my new subscribers, thank you for joining us, I really appreciate it. I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you've enjoyed watching this video and would like to see some more of my videos, why not click on one of these links and be swept away to a world of PB diecast magic, fun for all the family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I would love for you to subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I will see you next week. Bye!